Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Manchester to Jacobus to Shrewsbury to near Duranttville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Course, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Spry, Dallastown, and Red Line around 3:20 p.m. Elizabethtown, Hallam, and Windsor around 3:30 p.m. Anvil, Mountjoy, and Cornwall around 3:40 p.m. East Petersburg, Willow Street, and Lancaster around 3:50 p.m. Myerstown, Akron, and New Holland around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include North Haven, Buck, East Prospect, Mount Gretna, and Reinholds. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 256 to 288, Interstate 78 for mile markers 5 to 8, Interstate 83 for mile markers 0 to 23. For your protection, move to an interior room